Namaste. For today, let me teach you the handstand. How to make use of the breath to access the potential of the energetic anatomy and not just the muscular and the bone strength. Yes, this will require muscular strength and physical power, but the main principle of today's tutorial will be the breath, how we breathe through the handstand. Alright, so all arm balancing forward bend. In here, the principle of forward bending applies. So if you would like to appreciate the details of how you bend forward using your energetic compartments, feel free to watch the tutorials I given about forward bend. So from the forward bend, using here, you don't have to fully straighten the legs, so soften the knee. What's important here, the hips are closed. Alright? Now, assess your breath. If you're a long breather, maybe adjust your hands slightly forward. Or maybe slightly in front of your legs or your feet. Exhale the breath out. So the knees, you may open lightly up to the side, and that will create more stability and lightness in the hips. Exhale. Alright, now inhale forward. As you inhale, the breath goes up to the hips. Inhale as you shift forward. Inhaling, exhaling. Alright, so try that first. Inhale, shift, and push. Exhale. At the top of the breath, inhale, clip, like kumbhaka, like Uddiyana Bandha, and you can utilize that to create more space to push off the breath, and exhale to settle. So that's your preparatory drill. Now, to lift your feet off the ground, so you're going to lift your hips and your feet at the top of that inhalation. So exhale, triangle. Exhaling, inhale, the top, lift, exhale. Right. Inhale, kumbhaka, draw the breath up, push, shift more, and then your hips will naturally just go over the shoulders. Exhale, inhale, and up. Right. Something like that. Inhale, shift at the top of the breath. Collect. I like the Uddiyana Bandha, flying up block. Push, and then keep your legs light. Don't squeeze. I'm not a proponent of squeezing, clenching, tightening. It's not about that. The more you squeeze the body, the more it will not happen. Let the breath do it for you. Inhalation, exhalation, relax. Exhalation makes the upper body soft. So you're going to utilize that to create more space. Exhale, inhale, forward, up, lift, and then from there, you might hang a bit until you feel the body goes heavy. To release the arm balance, so the handstand. So let me do it again. Exhale, inhaling, up, lifting. All right. Now here, settle. To release is an inhalation. Inhale, and down. Exhale. So why do we inhale as we release? To keep the body light inside. Suspend, inhale, slowly down. And once that becomes light, bit by bit, you'll be able to learn how to hold it longer and adjust your breath, and adjust your body to suit the breath, And you will realize many ways of doing this, but the breath is important. And once you find that in lightness, to suit the breath, to suit your structure, you might be able now to progress to the full handstand. So first, exhaling, inhale, rise, and bit by bit, you'll be able to find that lightness all the way up. Up we go, and you stay. And here you breathe comfortably. Inhale, right hip press, and exhale. So, to release, inhalation, inhale, and exhale all the way down. Yes, so that's the concept. So sometimes you topple over, you just cartwheel, but what's important here is the breath. when you get to understand your breath more, yeah, it will bring you to places, techniques, and even deep inside your inner body. And that's the journey. The breath, and the energy, yeah, and the body will just follow. But see you next time. Take care. Good luck.